Create an avatar for your profile or for your Facebook. Hello everybody, I'm going to show you step by step and easy guide how to fix this or how to do this. So let's do it. Open first your Facebook. It will open directly here on your homepage of your phone. Come right now and open your profile. While you open your profile, click here edit profile, and we found many options. We found right now avatar. Click create avatar. Right now it's loading your avatar. Right now you will choose the color scheme, for example this, click next, and then the hairstyle, for example I would just does randomly things, click save, and this is my avatar. I don't explain the detail because you can change everything, the eyes, the color of your hair, everything, and click next right now, and that's it. As you see, loaded your avatar, and right now I create avatar correctly, and that's it. And right now you can update it as a cover photo, and I will click note now. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.